Okay, my name is Ashish Patnaik, and I think out of these three guys, Modi, Kejriwal, and Rahul Gandhi, I prefer Arvind Kejriwal is a better politician compared to others. Because I think he talks about the common man. He goes to the common man and listens to their problem. We have hardly seen in the past that any politicians actually meet common men, go to the common man and know about their problems, despite the fact that politicians are corrupt in India, and whosoever comes into this political arena, or any party wins, they are bound to do the corruption. So that is there. But I think Arvind Kejriwal is a better part because he is a very academic and he is very intellectual, and he talks about the progress, how you can improve the lifestyle of a common man, be it electricity, be it water supply in and around Delhi. So we actually see him as ourselves. We represent as a common man, and he talks about all these things. And I know in assembly election he really did amazing job, and I was part of his movement. So I feel proud of being a part of Arvind Kejriwal's team. But having said that, he doesn't have the experience right now, so there are hiccups and there will be hiccups since he is not a politician. He is coming from a common background. So I hope that in times to come, Arvind Kejriwal will move the things better for all the people in India, and hopefully we'll see a better India in times to come.